In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtasks in Notion. Subtasks are a simple way to break a larger to-do into smaller, clearer actions, so nothing slips through the cracks. We'll keep this quick and straightforward, and by the end, you'll be able to nest items to create a clean, organized checklist. Start by opening the Notion page where you keep your tasks. Add your tasks to the page so they're listed one after another. If you're using a to-do list, type the first task, then press Enter to move to the next line, and keep going until all your main tasks are written out. Each line should be its own task, which makes it easy to arrange them later. Now, here's the key move for creating a subtask. When your tasks are listed, press Enter to create a new line under the task that will be the parent. With your cursor on that new line, press Tab once. You'll see the new line shift slightly to the right. That indent means it's now a subtask of the task directly above it. You can type the subtask text immediately and press Enter again to add more subtasks at the same level. Every time you press Tab on a new line, you're nesting that item under the one above. If you ever indent too far by mistake, press Shift plus Tab to move the line back to the left and return it to a main task. You can also reorder tasks at any time by dragging the handle to the left of the line to place a subtask under a different parent or move it back out to the top level. This flexibility makes it easy to refine your plan as you work. A quick tip for staying organized. Use the parent task as the outcome or milestone, and use subtasks for the concrete steps to get there. Checking off subtasks helps you track progress without losing sight of the bigger goal. And because each subtask is its own checklist item, you can complete them one by one while keeping the parent task visible until everything is done. That's really all there is to it. Add your tasks, press Enter to create a new line, and press Tab on that line to indent and turn it into a subtask under the task above. With just those two keystrokes, your lists become clearer, more structured, and much easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building tidy, focused task lists in Notion.